Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your United Healthcare UCard. So just come here and sign in, and what you want to do is with your United Health, UCard, usually you will have a QR code as well. So you want to scan the QR code and the letter your UCard was attached to. Okay, once you're signed in, they'll prompt you for that. That's how you activate it. You can do this on the website or on the UCard app. Or what you can do is just call their toll-free number. This is their number, 866 757 1864. Okay, go ahead and do that, and customer service assistant will assist you on that. Okay, and these are their timings. So 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturdays. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.